Hi, welcome to Ed's Eats. I'm Ed McFarland, the chef owner of Ed's Lobster Bar. Today, I'm going to show you the best meatball, lobster meatballs. That's right, we're going to grind up our lobster meat and we're going to make meatballs with it in a traditional Italian way. This is the best meatball. I make it similar to my regular meatball recipe, just with lobster meat. Let's get inside and get started. All my ingredients are in the bowl. Everything's essential here. We're gonna mix it together. And we have this mixed. We're gonna go over to the stove and start frying our meatballs. So our oil's ready, and I have the perfect saute pan to fry my meatballs in. So look how perfect these lobster meatballs came out.